Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good morning to everyone. Today in this video we'll see how to create a system restore point in Windows 10 or Windows 11 on your computer or laptop. Or we can say this is backing up our computer system settings. So this is very useful when there is a conflict in your Windows laptop. For example, if you have recently installed a software and which it made a mess of all your computer, the computer became very slow, or through that software a virus has entered into your laptop and everything is not working properly, and you want to revert back to a previous backup which is available, means this installed software won't be available in that backup. For that, to take that backup or the snapshot of your computer settings, this creating this Windows restore point is possible. Through this is possible. How you can do that? You can just press on your laptop like Windows logo key press R, which Windows logo key press R at the same time. So this will open the run command. In the run command, you just need to type this thing, system properties advanced, and click on OK. So this will open up a pop-up window like system properties, or else you can open your file explorer and click on this PC, and here in this area right click on this and click on the properties. So this will open the system properties, and under system properties there is a option called system protection. See here, system protection. In this way, either way, you can go to this tab or the pop-up window like system properties, and under system properties you can click on system protection. See here, for C drive I have this protection on. So if I create a backup now, all the system settings which are on the C folder will be created a snapshot or a backup or a restore point here. So when I click on OK, so it is asking me to give a name. You can give any name of your choice. For example, before installing new software, I am just making it so and so software, so and so software name, so that if after installing this software if the problem arises, what I will do is I'll restore to this point. So I'll just click on create, and remember, this taking snapshot will take some memory space on your laptop. Okay, that is for sure, because it will all stores all the settings information, registry keys information, everything. It will load up, so it will take some amount of data. So you need to be make sure of that. It will take hardly like 1 to 2 minutes. Once it is done, it will be available in the system restore area. So, or as this video is getting long, I will do another video like how you can back up this file when something goes wrong on your computer. I'll drop the link in the description, just below this description box. You can go through that. I hope you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.